actually concerned about the people, the parliament should also take into serious concern. Because the government is accountable to the parliament and the parliament is accountable to the people. When they are expecting, when the parliament is working and nothing is discussing about their issues, they will be bothered and we are answerable. In 2015-16 itself, this PMSY, that Sadak Yojana, PM Sadak Yojana, was also made into 60-40. 60 for union government and 40 for the state governments. And so also the VB Gramji is now has changed it to 60 with union and 40 with the state governments, which burdens them. So when you are taking away the powers of the state governments, when you are not giving them their dues, even the material component for Mannarega for Tamil Nadu is still pending. We have been asking repeatedly. What is the need for lifting the Gandhi statue which was here? This is also subject because you removed Mahatma Gandhi's name in the Mannarega. So also, you first lifted the statue, now you have taken away the name of Mannarega in Mahatma Gandhi. Come to Tamil Nadu, we have got Kalaignar Kanavu Illam, Kalaignar Dream House. We are giving 3.5 lakh. We have built 1 lakh houses so far and we are aiming to go beyond 2 lakh in the coming days. So, earlier days the government used to go to foreign countries to see how it has developed. Now I would urge the union government come to Tamil Nadu and see how your state could be developed.
இப்போது புதிய அறிமுகம் ஆச்சி ஹோட்டல் சாம்பார் 50 கிராம் ரூபாய் 20 மட்டுமே.
மணப்பெண்ணின் பிரத்யேகமான திருமணம் விவாஹா the Chennai Silks.
Later.
Maiden speech.
Thank you, Mr. Vice Chairman.
Maiden speech, hai?
No, that's only later.
He has been selected again, sir, to maiden speech.
नहीं sir.
No. It's existing too. Thank you very much, Mr. Vice Chairman. Sir, when it is to be appreciated that the Parliament discusses the working of the various ministries, it is also imperative on the part of the Parliament to discuss some burning issue which has emerged in the nation at large. Though India is not directly involved in a war, the Iran, Israel and American war has created a huge impact with regard to the fuel, especially now existing is the natural gas and cooking gas. Sir, every state is convening urgent meetings how to address the issues. The restaurants are being closed for shortage of gas. The prices are going up. Even the houses, the homes, homemakers are very much suffering at it. So is it not very much important the Parliament to discuss that, sir? We feel very sad and I want to put it on record that the Parliament should consider it as a responsibility to discuss and resolve the issue. We do not know what is going to happen. As I said, though India is not directly involved, how the economic recession which emerges in some other nation impacts the rest part of the world. So also the fuel crisis will affect much more, and what is on card in the union government is not, no. Let me come. It is not out. It's also with the people in the rural areas, they are also affected. We are going to discuss about the rural Ministry of Rural Development. People in the rural India are also affected. So it is not out of the subject, sir. So I am speaking about that only. So I want to make it to everyone. We must rise to the occasion. What is actually concerned about the people, the Parliament should also take into serious consideration. Because the government is accountable to the Parliament and the Parliament is accountable to the people. When they are expecting, when the Parliament is working and nothing is discussing about their issues, they will be bothered and we are answerable. Now that, sir, the responsibility of the Ministry of Rural Development is to enhance employment opportunities, social security and infrastructure development in rural areas, as well as to ensure sustainable development through land reforms. Sir, there are various schemes the government is having, how to implement that. I cannot discuss everything within the stipulated time. So time is very limited. We are aware of it. Especially this VB Gramji, I call it so, VB Gramji, which has been now legislated by the government and which they are very proud of. Sir, let me tell, first of all, A centrally sponsored scheme must be totally funded by the union government. But it is not with this BJP government, which they boast much of. In 2015-16 itself, this PMSY, that Sadak Yojana, PM Sadak Yojana, was also made into 60-40. 60 for union government and 40 for the state governments. And so also the VB Gramji is now has changed it to 60 with union and 40 with the state governments, which burdens them. So when you are taking away the powers of the state governments, when you are not giving them their dues, even the material component for Manarega, for Tamil Nadu is still pending. We have been asking repeatedly. And 91 lakh active man days or man workers are in Tamil Nadu, and we are asking for more because we have to accommodate them in order to honor their demand, the demand which is there, which is not also being received. So now that you are dropping Manarega, because the budget which has been allotted 1,97 crore or something, the major line share 95,000 is going to VB Gramji, and 30,000 only to the Manarega, which was much more earlier. Sir, you just moved away the Gandhi statue from the parliament premises to somewhere. Nobody could see that. Not that we only see. You go to UK, House of Commons, outside, the British were ruling us once. They ruled us once. But now Gandhi statue is there. But now Gandhi statue is... nobody, the visitors cannot access to that place. Even we are made to roam around the parliament to come to one place. Such things have happened. What is the need for lifting the Gandhi statue which was here? This is also subject because you removed Mahatma Gandhi's name in the Manarega. So also, you first lifted the statue, now you have taken away the name of Manarega in Mahatma Gandhi. And now that 30,000 crore which you have allotted is only to clear the dues, and slowly it will be signed off. So the scheme which was legislated in the parliament, which ensured a universal right for employment, Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, called it as a failure. How can a universal right to work, sir, that too for rural people, the poorest of the poor in the nation, when they are being given a job out of this legislation, you call it as a failure? And now what your scheme, you are not yet notified this VB Gramji. When it will come to force? You are dropping off Manarega, your VB Gramji has not been notified, state governments have already submitted their budgets, they will be running short of funds for what you are demanding 40%, and what will happen to the rural workers? It is for only during the non-agricultural period, this Manarega was created. What will they do in future? You have to reply. It's not an accusation, it's not an allegation, it's only a clarification we seek from you. You have not notified VB Gramji, you are going to drop Manarega. What about the employment which they were getting in the rural areas? You are liable. You are hard to answer to us. These are all very genuine questions from our side on behalf of the people in the country. So all your schemes which you are, see, let me tell you, one government, the earlier government is starting something and the next government which assumes need not exactly drop it off. Let me tell you one example. The Golden Quadrilateral which we see everywhere, the 4-lane roads, is the brainchild of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. When it was started to function, Dr. Manmohan Singh came to power. He didn't drop that scheme. He said it's a very good one. It has to continue properly. So also, our leader, Dr. Kalaignar, when he became the Prime Minister, the nutrition meal scheme which was by Mr. MGR, late MGR, we continued that, maybe we refined that. That is a magnanimity a government should have. Whereas you chop off everything which the previous government is doing, whatever the benefit it is doing. So I think I need not elaborate everything. You are the government should not be little-minded, sir. It should be very broad-minded. Good schemes implemented by the earlier schemes must be carried forward, but you are not doing so. And since the time constraint, I want to say one thing. What is about PMAY Gramin? Your Prime Minister Awas Yojana, I mean the building houses in the rural areas. You give 1,20,000 rupees per house. for the cost of construction materials. How a house could be built for 1.2 lakh crore? Nothing. In the CAG report in UP, it has come out in the limelight. Whichever has been declared as complete is incomplete. Many houses are not plastered. Many houses do not have toilets. Many houses do not have electricity. This is the condition of your PMAY in your state, where you are ruling. Come to Tamil Nadu, we have got Kalaignar Kanavu Illam, Kalaignar Dream House. We are giving 3.5 lakh. We have built 1 lakh houses so far, and we are aiming to go beyond 2 lakh in the coming days. So, earlier days, the government used to go to foreign countries to see how it has developed. Now, I would urge the union government, come to Tamil Nadu and see how your state could be developed, how your government could function. This is the way, sir. Again, I would say, when we are given some responsibility and power, we are doing something which the people appreciate, which others can follow. But you have to mend your ways. What you are doing is now out of the way. So consider very sincerely, the Ministry of Rural Development is a very important ministry, and what it is to be aimed at to enhance the employment opportunities, social security and infrastructure also. No roads are there. In 71 itself, Tamil Nadu has got all rural connectivity, but now you are still driving it. Please, sir. Let me, maybe time. Only 1 minute I'll conclude, because I'm telling about the government is listening. They are bound to reply to us. So with these words, sir, I know, time will not decide everything. Some issues have to be resolved only in the parliament, not, again I would say, not in the street corners, only here. So when we let out our feelings, very genuinely, I'm not accusing them. I say with evidences. You go to the CAG report about the UP, PMAO, ISS, what condition? It's not Tiruchi Siva's statement. It is CAG's report. So this is your statement. So kindly look into all your schemes and implement it in a proper manner to benefit the people. Thank you very much.
माननीय तिरुचि शिवाजी का धन्यवाद।